खुश रहो. This is JBN Dr. Brajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. Program MSc Mathematics Physics, first semester, and course Discrete Mathematics. And session of today is complemented complete lattice. Definition: L or less than equal, that is structure, be a complete lattice with greatest and lowest element uh, with G and L respectively, then L is called the complemented complete lattice. If for each element A belongs to L, there exists an element A dash belongs to L such that A join A dash is equal to G, A and A dash, A meet A dash is equal to L. A complemented distributive lattice is called an Boolean algebra. So bounded lattice, let L less than equal be a lattice. L is said to be bounded lattice if it has at least element 0 and greatest element 1. बाउंडेड लैटिस के लिए एसेंशियल है प्रीरेक्विजिट दैट इज इट कंसिस्ट lowest element 0 and greatest element 1. Then this structure is called the bounded lattice. Some theorems on and properties. Theorem 1, properties of the lattice. Let P less than equal be a lattice for any ABC belongs to P. We have involution law. Number 1, involution law, that was the a dash to the dash of dash is equal to itself, that is the involution law. Absorption law, A meet A join B is equal to A join A meet B is equal to A, that is absorption law. Idempotent law, A join A is equal to A meet A is equal to A. Commutative law, A meet B, B meet A meet B, A join B is equal to B join A. Associative law, A join B join C is equal to A join B join C. A meet bracket B meet C is equal to A meet B bracket over meet C. De Morgan's law, A meet A join B whole dash is equal to A dash meet B dash. A meet B whole dash is equal to A dash join B dash. Involution law, A join A dash is equal to 1, A meet A dash is equal to 0. These are the properties. But the operation meet and join commutative in P, so A dash join A is equal to 1, A dash meet A is equal to 0. Equation 2 implies that the complement of A dash belongs to P is A belongs to P, hence A dash to the dash is equal to 1. So absorption law, idempotent law, A meet A less than A for all A. Again, if A less than A, then A join A less than A join A is equal to A by the principle of duality, and A meet A is equal to A. Commutative law also hold good, associative law hold good. De Morgan's law, A join whole dash, A join B whole dash is equal to A dash meet B dash. Here we have to prove the complemented of A join B and A dash meet B dash, for which it is sufficient to prove that A join B join A dash meet B dash is equal to 1. So in order to prove this, now distribute this. After distribution, A and A dash taking in one bracket and b dash taken in one bracket and putting the value of a join a dash is equal to 1 and b join b dash is equal to 1. Again 1 join b is equal to 1, a join 1 is equal to 1 and 1 meet 1 is equal to 1. In the same way, a join b meet a dash meet b dash is equal to, again applying distributive law, and after distributing it is taken in the same bracket a and a dash, again b and b dash. It is because it is commutative. So commutative and associative law hold good in this, so we apply commutative law and associative law, and it became b dash meet a dash meet a bracket or join a dash meet b dash meet b, and putting the value of a dash meet a is equal to 0 and b dash meet b again 0 and 0 join 0 again 0. So this is proved the De Morgan. This is the proof of the De Morgan law in this context. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much.